Everything in this universe exists as a pair. We have electrons and protons, we have male and female, and of course we have antimatter and matter. Every single element has an anti-element. This anti-element has the same mass as its element but different properties.
The subatomic particles in an anti-element have the reverse charges to that of an element, so the antiproton is negative and the anti-electron is positive. We know that the antiproton is not in fact an electron because protons are a lot larger than electrons, and the antiproton and the proton have the same mass.
Antimatter is also highly unstable. If it comes into contact with matter, 1 kilo of matter and the equal amounts of antimatter would annihilate to produce the same amount of energy as 57 million tons of TNT. Now, the universe should have created equal amounts of antimatter and matter, but it must have changed its mind because that didn't actually happen. It's a good thing too, because if it did happen, the universe would have annihilated a very long time ago. Theoretically speaking, there should also be a mirror universe to our own, one made of antimatter. It would be the opposite to our universe, hence mirror and not exactly the same. Now, scientists can make antiparticles in a particle accelerator. However, it's extremely expensive. It costs $100 million just to make 1 milligram. That's enough money to buy you 340,738 Ferraris. That is a lot of money, so not much has been made. If you put all the antimatter in the universe together and annihilated it, it wouldn't even warm up a cup of tea. However, if enough antimatter were to be created, it could power entire cities for years. It would take approximately 3 tons of antimatter to power the entire world for 1 year. However, it's so expensive and the energy required to create the antimatter is more than the energy it releases, so it's pointless. Now, antimatter is also created naturally. People release antimatter all the time. However, it's not enough antimatter to do any damage.